Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to study the continuation of the chapter addition. Okay. In previous class we studied about addition as forward counting. Next, 2-digit numbers addition, addition of 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers without carryover. Okay. Today we are going to learn 3-digit and 4-digit numbers addition with carry over. Addition of 3 and 4-digit numbers with carry over. Please take your textbook and note the page number 73. Addition of 3-digit and 4-digit numbers with carry over. With carry over. First of all, please try to learn. You should learn the addition table, okay, properly. Addition table properly. Okay, today we are going to 4-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers addition. Please listen here. Okay, add 542 and 147. 147. In previous class we arranged the digits in the columns. Here also we arrange the digits or numbers in the columns. Okay. Okay. 5, 4, 2. Okay. Here 1 place, 10 place, 100 place. 3-digit numbers. Okay, we get the 3-digit numbers, so we write the over part 1 place, 10 place and 100 place. Next, 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. Okay. Write the sign of addition. Okay. Draw the columns. Columns. Okay. First of all, we add the digits in the place of ones. Okay. Okay. Here add the 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 we get the answer 10. 10. Okay. In the number 10, 0 in the 1 place, 1 in the 10 place. We add the 0 at the 1 place, in the 1 place, in the 1 place. Okay. This 10 place 1 is carry over the 10 place. 10 place 1 is here. This 1 is carry over the 10 place digits. Okay, carry over the 10 place digits and add the 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. And next, 100 place digits are added to get the answer 6. Okay, we get the answer 690. 690. Okay. Please listen. We get the problems 542 and the 148. First of all, we arrange the columns 1 place and 10 place and 100 place. 1 place in 542 is the 2. 1 place digit is 2 and 8. 10 place digits 4 and 4. 100 place digits 5 and 1. Okay, we start to add a 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. In the digit 2-digit number 10, the 1 place is 0, 10 place is 1. We add this 0 or we write this 0 on the 1 place, okay, 1 place, and the 10 place 1 is carry over. 10 place 1 is carry over the 10 place. Okay, 10 place carry over the 10 place and added 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9. Okay, next 100 place numbers is added. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Thus we get the answer 690. Okay. Okay. Next problem. Please listen the next problem. To 2048. 3048. Okay, you try to solve this problem. Okay, first of all we write the 2048. Okay, again we write 8. Okay, okay, arrange this column. 1 place column, 1 place, 10 place column, okay, 100 place column, okay, okay. Next, try to adding 8 plus 8, okay, 8 plus 8, 16, okay, in 16, 6 in 1 place, 1 in 10 place. In 16, 6 in 1 place and 1 in 10 place. The 6 is right to this place or 1 place. Okay. This 10 place 1 is carry over in the 10 place. 10 place 1 is, this 1 is carry over here in 10 place. Okay. And 5, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Again the add the 100 place digit, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, thus we get the answer 596. Okay, all of you. Okay, next we are going to, okay, next is 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. Example, 4-digit numbers example 3536 and 5396. Okay. Okay. Please listen to arrange the columns. 5, sorry, okay, 3, 5, 3, 6. Okay, 1 place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place. Okay, next we write the next number 6, 9, 3, 5. Okay, arrange the columns. 1's columns, 10's columns, 100 columns, 1000 columns. Okay. 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 Next, we start from the addition. Start from the 1's column. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Here, in the 12, 1 place, 10 place. We add the 2 in the 1 place. Here, this 2 is add here to 1 place. Next, 10 place 1 is carry over 10 place. Carry over the 10 place. Okay. Next, 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. We get the 13. 1 place 3 is added to 10 place. The 10 place 1 is carry over 100 place. Okay. 1 place is carry over the 100 place. Okay. 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. The 1000 place digits are added. 3 plus 5, 8. Okay. The answer is 8932. Please listen once more. Once again. Okay. We arrange the numbers in the column. Ones column, 6 digits are 6 and 6. Tens columns, digits are 3 and 9. 100 column, digits are 5 and 3. 1000 column, 3 and 5. First of all, we add from the right side. Ones columns, digits are add first of all. First of all, 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Okay. The number 12, digit number, this is the 1 place. This is the 10 place. We add the 2 of the 1 place from the 1 place. The 2 from the 1 place, we add the 1 place. This 10 place 1 is carry over the 10 place. Carry over the 10 place. This 1 is carry over 10 place. Okay, you got it? We get the 12. This is the 1 place. In the 12, 2 is the 1 place. 10 is the, 1 is the 10 place. Here we take the 2 and add these 2 in the 1 place. Okay. Okay. This 10 place 1 is carry over the 10 place and add these 3 digits. 3 plus 1 or 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 30. We get the 13. And this is the 3 is the 1 place. 1 is the 10 place. We take the 3 from this 13 and add the 10 place. The 10 place 1 is carry over the 100 place. The 10 place 1 is carry over the 100 place and add these 3 digits. 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Okay. And 1000 place 3 plus 5, 8. We get 8932. Okay. Okay. Next, please you should do the exercise 3 and arrange in exercise B. Arrange the columns and add the following your notebook. Okay. First one, 2005. 2005. Next, 1997. Next, 185. 1000. Okay. 1 place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. We arrange this column. Start to arrange these columns. 1 place column, 10 place column. Okay. 1997 185. Okay. Clear? Okay. 1 place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. Okay. Columns, arrange in columns. Start to adding. Okay. Here arrange 1 place digit. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. In 17, 7 is in the one place. So, we add the 7 here. Here 10 place, 1 is in the 10 place. We add the 1 on the carry over the 10 place. Okay. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18. Here the 1 place 8 is added here, and 10 place 1 is carry over the 100 place. Carry over the 100 place. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11. 1 is add here. This 1 is add here. Next 10 place 1 is carry over the 1000 place. Carry over the 1000 place. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Thus we get the answer 4187. Okay, all of you got it? The 3 digit and 4 digit numbers addition with carry over. Okay. Next, the properties of addition. We get 3 properties of addition here. First property. Okay, page number 74 and 75. Please listen. Properties of addition. Properties of addition. Properties of addition. First property. Number 1. First property. Please listen. When 0 added to a number, when 0 added to a number or the number is added to a 0, we get the result is number itself. The result is number itself. Okay. When 0 is added to a number or a number is added to a 0, the result is the number itself. Okay. When a number is added to a 0 or a 0 is added to a number, the result is the number itself. Okay. Okay. When 0 is added to a number or a number is added to a 0, the result is the number itself. Number itself. Please listen. One 8 3 plus 0. 183 we get the answer 183. Okay. The 0 added to a number 21. We get the answer 21. Okay. Add the 21. Okay, next 36 plus 0. We get the answer 36. 1000 plus 0 plus 1000. Get number itself. Okay, please listen. When a number added to a 0, when a number added to a 0 or the number or the number is added to a 0 or the 0 is added to a number, we get the result, the number itself. The result is number itself. When we add the number to 0 or 0 to number, we get the answers is number itself. Okay, number. This is the first property of the addition. This is the first property of the addition. Okay, next one, next property. Property 2. Next property, property 2. What is the property of 2? Okay, we can add two or more numbers. We can add 2 or more numbers in any order. The sum will be same, remain the same. The sum will be remain the same. The 2 or more numbers added to any order, the numbers, the result of these numbers remain same. Okay, we can add 2 or more numbers in any order, their sum, the result, the sum or the result, the sum will be remain same. We can add 2 or more numbers in any order, their sum will be remain the same. The sum will be remain the same. Example, 263 plus 184. We get the answer 2 plus 4, 7. Next, 447. 14. Okay, 6 plus 8, 14. 1 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, 40. We change the order. This is the first place, this is the second place number, or this is the first number, this is the second number. We change the order of the number. First of all, we write the 184 plus 263. We also get the same answer. The sum will be remain same. Here, the change the order, first order, second order. Okay, this change the order. First letter is change the order. This first number is change. The first number is change in the second problem. In the first problem, the first place is, first order is 263 and second order is 184. In the second problem, the first place number is 184 plus 263. Here we can see the change the order of the problem. Change the order of the problem. This change or their sums, but their sums will not change. Will be remain the same. The sum of these two numbers are the same. Okay. Next, property 3. Property 3, we can add 3 numbers. property 3, we can add 3 numbers. We can add 3 numbers by grouping. By grouping, we can add 3 numbers by grouping them in any way. By grouping them in any way, okay, their sum will be remain the same. Will be remain the same in all cases. Okay. Example 383 plus 240 plus 260. We get the answer 883. Okay. Here the grouping numbers are 383 plus 240. Okay. Next, the grouping arrangement is changed. 383, 240 plus 260. Here the grouping numbers are 240 plus 260. Here also we get the answer 883. Okay. Next, we change the 383 plus 260 grouping. Here grouping the 383 plus 260 plus 240. Here also we get the answer 883. Please listen. In first problem, grouping numbers 883 plus 240. In second problem, the grouping numbers is 240 plus 260. In third problem, the grouping number is 383 plus 260. Here they change the grouping order. Here change the grouping order but did not change the answers. The answers, the sum of numbers will be remain the same. The sum of numbers will be remain the same. Okay. These are the 3 properties of the addition. 3 properties of the addition. Okay. Today we learned the addition of 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers with carryover and properties of the addition. I hope all of you had understood the today's class. Okay, you should write these problems, exercise 2 and exercise A, B, okay, and exercise 3A and B and exercise 4 page number 76. Okay. Okay. Today our class is finished. Take care. See you our next class. Okay.